Hey, it's Katie with WTI. Have you been looking for the perfect cloth to clean any type of surface? Then you need to check out these ultra microfiber cloths by Hardline. I'm able to use these on basically any surface. I can dust my wooden piano, wipe down my picture frames, wipe down my table, and the best part is that these are perfect for detailing my husband's car. He loves to enter his car into car shows, which means getting it nice and shiny and perfect. He doesn't trust just any cloth, but he loves these. He's able to use these on his wheels, his tires, the exterior and the interior for shining, buffing, and polishing. We love that it comes in a 12-pack because he goes through a lot when he's detailing his car. He'll use 7 to 10 of these every single time. And these are great because we can just throw them in the washing machine, wash them, and reuse them. They don't require any special care. They're so soft, we don't have to worry about it scratching any of the delicate surfaces, and they are super absorbent. We have literally found nothing wrong with these cloths by Hardline, and that's our point of view.